Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about this 2-in-1 ceramic tower and baseboard heater. If you guys would like some more information on it, just be sure to check the video description for that. So this is a 2-in-1 ceramic tower and baseboard heater. The reason I ordered this was because I'm going to be putting this in my son's playroom, and it's like attached to the garage, so there is no way for me to add any baseboard heating or anything like that. So I needed to get a space heater, and I needed to get one that is not hot to the touch, so that if my toddler does touch it, it won't burn him. And it's like pretty sleek, and it's actually like not heavy at all, which is great because I recently had surgery, so I can lift it just fine and not hurt myself. It has a sleek design, so it can easily fit in like the corner over there. So it's a 2-in-1 ceramic tower and baseboard heater. It has 4 area settings: high, 1500 watts, low, 900 watts, eco mode, and fan, vertical or horizon use, tower or baseboard, adjustable thermostat. Temperature can be set from 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think you're going to be putting it at 95, or I don't think I will be, at least. I'll probably be setting it at like 75. It has a 24-hour timer, remote control, and internal oscillation, overheat protection, and is ideal for indoor spaces. And this is like a little room, so it'll like definitely warm it up quickly. And I'm going to have to order another one for my other son's room because we do have baseboard heat in there, but it has a really high ceiling, so it doesn't get as warm as I'd like it to. So I could put it in there too. Inexpensive, especially for what it is. And here are all like the buttons and everything. Here's the power button, goes on. I want to say like I had it on for 10 minutes and it heated up the room already. Like I said, this is a small room, so it'll probably take longer to heat up a larger room, but you know, the amount of time it took to heat up was actually really quickly and really nice. So I guess because it's made from the ceramic, like it like really doesn't get hot. Even this, if I were to touch it, like it's not going to burn me, which is perfect because, you know, no one wants to burn themselves. You don't want the kids to get hurt or anything like that. Piece of tape stuck on here. And these are just some specifications. You guys could see. Says it's black and white. The body material is plastic and metal. 900 to 1500 heat setting. Specifications here too. And then just like super easy to use. And you do have to plug it in. So I have it plugged in here. So we have it set at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. These buttons, the minus puts the temperature lower. This puts the temperature higher. Keep it at 75. Here's the timer if you want to set the timer on there. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off because it's actually, and it gives you like a countdown to when it turns off. But it's actually pretty warm out today, so I don't need it. But, you know, November starts to get cold here in New York, so soon I will be needing to use this every day, every time the kids are in here to play. So also what I like about this is, you know, it's not heavy. So if I want to, like, use it in a different room, like, say I want, like, extra heat in the bathroom, extra heat in the living room by me, I can just lift it up and plug it in. It's easy to go. And it's already set up, so it doesn't come in like a million pieces like some other things do. Like you literally don't have to put anything together, which is awesome because, you know, less work required, of course. So it's, you know, it's already ready to go. It's self-explanatory as far as how to use it. Heats up quickly. And I think the best part is that when you touch it, it won't burn you even when it's on like the highest setting. So guys, this was my video on the 2-in-1 ceramic tower and baseboard heater. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everybody, and have an awesome day.